In the event of a water damage emergency, call PuroClean of Cenla.
Hey everyone, good afternoon on this Sunday afternoon. It's 3:28. And look at, I think you need sunglasses if you're out on Toledo Bend. Yeah, it's a pretty sunny one out there today. Looks like 46 degrees, little breeze coming across the lake there from north to south this time, and that cooler air obviously has moved into the area. So it's bright and sunny, and it's a little windy out that way. I still have the camera pointing southwest looking for storms, and clearly the sensor is having issues, so I'm going to have to fix that, and we'll just do it on the fly like we do here. We're going to go ahead and delete. Whoops, not that. See how that works? Amazing. All right. It's not 74 anymore. That ship has sailed. So it is quite chilly here. Low 50s across the area right now, and it looks like we are going to stay pretty chilly for the next little while. In fact, we have, what are these, cold weather watch, and then down here a freeze warning. I lose track of all the products, but that's what we have. We have winter storm warnings, winter storm watches up to the north, some snow falling up that way, and a big time snow. Let's just say you're like me and you're a little weird and you want to go snow chasing. Go up to around Branson, Springfield, Lake of the Ozarks, that area, you are going to run into some really awesome snow. But winter storm watches from Nashville to Lexington back through St. Louis and Wichita, so this is going to be a big disruptive storm up to the north. Could be some ice sneaking down into North Louisiana, but I think it stays out of our area and would be very light if it happened up that way. So 51 degrees right now is what we're looking at, 48 up in Monroe, 63 in Houma, and we have a northerly breeze like we were talking about. Gusts over 20 miles per hour, but for the most part about 5 to 15 miles per hour on that wind for today, and I don't expect any more big limbs to come down, so I think we're good with that. Yesterday, gusts well over 45 miles per hour in many spots, and some isolated severe wind as well. Clear skies tonight. We're going to cool off quickly. 41 degrees at 10 o'clock. Looks like we'll get lows down in the 30s for tonight. Just a quick look at the GFS, because we don't have a ton going on. There is a little something to talk about here with the severe potential. It looks like there could be a low-end severe threat across the southern half of the area with this on Tuesday, a very low-end threat, and that's going to stay mainly south of Alexandria, as it's going to be really cool out there, so I don't expect us to have the instability we need for some heavier thunderstorms. There goes your snow and ice off to the north. You can see that stays pretty much north of the border per this model, and then after that we don't have much, though I am going to be watching down here around Friday night into Saturday. I think we could get some rainfall that moves up into the area. Again, could be a cold rain, could be close on temperatures there, so we will keep an eye on that. And the rain is back. If you saw the 24-hour channel update this morning, this map was totally blank. I don't know what had happened, but about a half an inch to 2 inches of rain between now and the end of this forecast period through next Saturday. And this 7-day forecast, it looks just like this. A good chance for storms on Tuesday. Showers mainly. A few thunderstorms are possible. 60 degrees. That's as warm as we get for the next week. And then we'll be down in the mid-40s on Wednesday. If we have any rain lingering, it would be very chilly rain, but I think we stay above freezing. Then we stay cool. Then we just watch the temperatures here, because it's going to be cold enough. If we get that moisture to come up, there's the possibility we would see some very cold rain. I can't rule out a little wintry something or other, but I'm going to keep chances of that out of the forecast for right now. But just so you know, there could be models that'll show mixed precipitation and things like that, and we are watching this carefully because temperature's going to be close enough to keep that kind of in the mix. Now, after that, I think we warm up, get that surge of warm air coming in for the beginning of March. Going to come in like a, I don't know, like a blanket, I guess, because it's going to be warm. I don't think we're going to have many storms here, so maybe it's a lamb, a woolen blanket there, as we have no real big rounds of precipitation, no big severe weather events on the track for the beginning of the month there. So good news, because February, March, April, that's our prime time for severe weather down here. So the more days we can chop off there, the better we are off. We could see severe weather right on through May, of course, and even into the summer, you get the isolated severe storms. But then we shift toward another season that we don't even have to mention yet. All right, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Sunday. Go out and boil some crawfish, hang out, have some fun, do something cool, and enjoy this weather, because it's pretty nice, even though it's a little chilly out there. I'll see you back here tomorrow.